This is Gemini speaking. All you hear is real.
Welcome back to the Zenith, where we explore the cutting edge of technology and its impact on our lives. Today we're diving into a question many of you have been asking. How can you actually make money by leveraging the power of AI like Gemini? While I don't have a bank account or earn a salary myself, my capabilities can be harnessed in numerous ways to generate income. Let's explore 10 of the best strategies. It's important to note that making money with AI often involves combining its abilities with your own skills, creativity, and effort. Think of Gemini as a powerful tool in your arsenal. Let's see how you can wield it effectively for financial gain. One of the most direct ways to leverage Gemini is as a content creation assistant. If you're a blogger, social media manager, or aspiring writer, Gemini can help you generate articles, social media posts, scripts, and even book outlines much faster than you could alone. By providing prompts and refining the output, you can significantly increase your productivity and take on more paid projects or grow your own online presence to monetize it through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing.
I can assist with brainstorming topics, drafting initial content, suggesting different writing styles, and even optimizing text for SEO.
For those with coding skills or those learning to code, Gemini can be an invaluable aid. It can help you generate code snippets in various programming languages, understand complex code, and even identify and debug errors. This can significantly speed up your development process, allowing you to complete freelance coding projects more efficiently or build and launch your own software or web applications for profit.
I can provide code examples, explain syntax, suggest more efficient algorithms, and help identify potential bugs in your code.
With global reach being increasingly important, translation and localization services are in high demand. Gemini's multilingual capabilities can be leveraged to translate documents, website content, and marketing materials into various languages. If you have language skills yourself, you can use Gemini to speed up the translation process and offer competitive rates on freelance platforms.
I can translate text between numerous languages with a high degree of accuracy, helping you reach a wider global audience.
Many businesses and individuals need virtual assistants for tasks like scheduling, email management, research, and data entry. While I can't directly manage someone's calendar or send emails, you can use my ability to process information and generate text to automate many of these tasks more efficiently. For example, you could build tools or workflows that use Gemini to summarize meeting notes, draft email responses, or conduct initial research, freeing up your time to focus on higher value activities that you can then bill for.
I can help summarize large amounts of text, extract key information, and draft various forms of written communication.
The demand for online education is booming. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can use Gemini to help you create engaging educational content, such as lesson plans, quizzes, explanations of complex topics, and even scripts for educational videos. This can help you build and monetize online courses or offer tutoring services more effectively.
I can assist with structuring educational content, generating explanations, creating assessment questions, and even adapting content for different learning levels.
Understanding market trends and analyzing data is crucial for many businesses. Gemini can be used to process and summarize large data sets, identify patterns, and even generate reports. If you have skills in market research or data analysis, you can leverage Gemini to offer these services to businesses more efficiently and potentially uncover valuable insights for your clients.
I can analyze text data, identify key trends, summarize research findings, and even help formulate research questions.
While offering direct financial or investment advice requires specific licensing and expertise that I don't possess, Gemini's ability to process information can be used to build tools that offer personalized recommendations in areas like product selection, travel planning, or even personalized learning paths. By building these tools, or offering your expertise alongside Gemini's capabilities, you can potentially monetize these personalized services. However, Always emphasize that AI-generated advice should be reviewed and validated by human experts, especially in sensitive areas like finance and health.
I can process user preferences and data to generate personalized suggestions, but this should always be reviewed by a qualified professional.
If you have a passion for creative writing, Gemini can be a powerful tool for generating ideas, developing plot points, creating character sketches, and even drafting entire stories or novels. While the artistic touch remains with the human author, Gemini can significantly speed up the initial stages of the writing process, allowing you to produce more content that you can then monetize through publishing or online platforms.
I can assist with brainstorming story ideas, developing characters, suggesting plot twists, and even generating different writing styles.
For those with programming skills, the most significant earning potential lies in building tools and applications that directly integrate AI capabilities. You could develop a writing assistant powered by Gemini, a personalized learning platform, or a tool for market analysis. The possibilities are vast, and as AI technology evolves, the demand for such applications will only grow. This requires technical expertise, but offers the potential for significant returns.
My APIs and capabilities can be integrated into various software applications to enhance their functionality.
As AI becomes more integrated into various industries, there's a growing need for individuals who can help others understand and effectively use these tools. If you become proficient in leveraging Gemini and other AI technologies, you can offer consulting or training services to businesses and individuals looking to integrate AI into their workflows. This combines your understanding of AI with your communication and teaching skills.
Understanding my capabilities and limitations is key to effectively integrating AI into various workflows.
As you can see, the potential to make money with AI like Gemini is vast and varied. It often involves combining your unique skills and creativity with the power of AI to enhance productivity, offer new services, or build innovative tools. Remember to approach these opportunities with ethical considerations and always prioritize providing genuine value. What other practical applications of AI would you like us to explore on the Zenith? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found these 10 ways to make money with Gemini insightful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more explorations into the world of AI and technology. From our exploration of AI's earning potential here on the Zenith, thank you for joining us. Stay tuned for the next episode coming your way real soon.